Thank you, Dr. Jain sir, for your enlightening address and for sharing your valuable insights. Your presence has truly elevated this program. Now, we would like to hear from some of our participants about their experiences during this faculty development program. May I request the participant to kindly share their feedbacks.
Participants, those who are interested, just type in the chat box. I will just unmute them.
Or you can raise your hand. We will
Yeah.
unmute you.
Yeah. Muthu Kumar V. I will just. Yeah. Now, Muthu Kumar, you can unmute yourself. Yeah.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Good evening. We can hear you. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for organizing this wonderful FDP on 3D printing, mainly related with medical applications. As a participant, we learned a lot of new methods and new tools and a lot of case studies from the actual surgeons and the startup persons and the professors. So it's enlightening sessions, all the sessions. We got all 6 days. So very much useful for the research purpose. And also as an engineer, we can collaborate with doctors. We will try to solve some cases. It will satisfy our work, real time work we will do. So not only the research on the book or journal, it will be directly helpful for the patient, means we can happy. So this is the highlight of your sessions and very much useful for us. And I have raised a lot of questions in each sessions. The resource persons provided all the inputs and they clarified our doubts. Thank you so much, sir, for your. I am Muthu Kumar from Savida Engineering College, Chennai.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, Abhijit, I have unmuted you.
Yes, sir. I hope I'm audible.
You can tell your organization name also and state.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, my name is Abhijit. I'm a PhD student at GHRCE and primarily working in the bionics and robotics space. I think the sessions were that are going to be supportive for my research. I think the sessions were pretty, more than theory. It was very hands-on.
Your voice is not coming.
Net problem.
Yeah, okay. You might have some connections.
Who came across to share their information knowledge with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vijit. Now, Dr. Anil Vanalkar, sir, I have unmuted you. Dr. Anil Vanalkar, sir. You can now unmute.
Dr. Vanalkar, sir.
May I
Okay.
audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
you are audible, sir.
Yes. Good evening to all of you, sir. The
Good evening,
entire faculty development program on 3D printing for industrial biomedical healthcare application with hands-on mimics software was very much informative, including all the expert talks. The peculiarity and arrangement of this lecture is that they started from basic principles or fundamentals and end with the case studies. So obviously, all the FDP programs, obviously, they are interested that what outcome is. So the FDP program, that is this FDP program opens new research domains like shape fidelity, non-uniform cell density, resolution and accuracy, experimental techniques for validation of results, etc. And this is what I feel the beauty and importance of this FDP program. And specifically, I feel that the entire credit goes to Dr. Jaju sir and Khadkar sir. With this, I conclude. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable feedback. Now I have unmuted Dr. Shilpa Vinchurkar.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening. Good evening to all of you, dear participants and dignitaries. Sir, I first congratulate for this wonderful organization of these all sessions. And one more thing, I must appreciate that I am a in-house faculty actually. So the thought process behind that is picture behind the scene is whatever the thought process was there in the mind of director sir, Dr. Sachin Untawale sir, Dr. Jaju sir, Khadkar sir, it was actually implemented there in this workshop. So that's why I'm very happy and delighted to have a part of this session. So thank you all, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Shilpa. Any other participant want to share the feedback? They can just raise the hand. One more feedback we can take. Anybody would like to share the feedback? Yeah, Dr. Anil Sahu. I'll just unmute. Yeah. Dr. Sahu, sir. Just a minute. Just.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
First of all, I must thank to the organizer for organizing such a wonderful FDP, and that is also under ATAL. So it is a very wonderful experience for attending this 3D printing workshop. And one thing that I must say, the effort taken by the organizer, like Jaju sir and Ivan sir, that all the resource persons, they are very much knowledgeable and practically they have given all the things. Up till now, what has happened that most of the things are the theoretical, but here what we explain that all the real life case studies, real life problem, and real life solution. So it is motivated me also to work under the some research related with the 3D printing, and it is very wonderful. So I must thanks to once again the organizer for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Thank you very much, Vajay sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
you,
sir. Now over to Nirvan, sir.
Thank you all the participants for your kind words and thoughtful feedback. Your contribution have made this program a memorable success.